All right. Welcome to the Chop It Up Kitchen where we chopping up food and conversation. That's right, Dr. Sebi style. Give me a minute, and as always, we about to get up in it. Welcome to another episode of the Chop It Up Kitchen. Pay homage to the ancestors, baby. All right. Just feeling myself, having a good time today. The weather is beautiful. I hope that you're having a beautiful day. Before you get into this video, make sure you go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button down there, because we're going to be rolling them out. I'm going to be a little more consistent with the videos. For all my subscribers, thank you for your patience, and thank you for just following the channel. Thank you. Getting a lot of good reviews. So without further ado, the ingredients are as follow. Because you know why? Your health is your wealth, baby. All right, we're going to start off, of course, with the garbanzo bean flour. Like I said, about 3 cups. Okay. All right. Got that in there. And we're going to go ahead and do the applesauce. Put that on up in there. All right, family, we got it all ready to go. It's mixed up to the consistency that I like. So what we're gonna do is just make these muffins, baby. Muffins. So, you don't want to overfill it. You just want to go ahead and get them on there. This should make a whole tray, but sometimes, you never know. So hopefully we can get through the whole tray and have a nice little muffin setup. There we go. Thanks for joining me again on the Chop It Up Kitchen. Once again, like, share, and subscribe, because we're going to be doing it, baby. Dr. Sebi style. Your health is your wealth. Okay, we got the muffins all greased up in a muffin pan with grapeseed oil. We're going to put them in the oven. Put them in the oven right now. Okay. And we're going to let them bake for about 30 to 45 minutes at 325. All right, family, we back. As you can see, we got the muffins all ready to go. Ain't nothing left, baby, but the taste test. All right. Just like Grandma made them. Just like butter, baby. Just like butter. As always, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the flip side.